Hey, thanks for coming to watch this on Debit Cards. This is my son, Cooper.
This is my dad, CJ the CPA.
So what's a debit card? It's this. You have an account. It already has money in it. And this is a card that is going to be swiped or inserted to pay for something. But where that money comes from is your bank account. So you already have the money there. It's your money. This is now a way to spend your money. The key here is that there's only so much that can be in that bank account for you to spend your money on. So my first question is, Cooper, we just talked about credit cards in the video right before this.
Yes.
Knowing about the debit cards, which one would you like better?
I prefer a debit card.
Yeah, tell me why.
You know the amount that you have on it, and it almost kind of makes you more mindful of your money, especially as, you get into high school and college, and, I assume most high school or college, if you're working or your parents are giving you money, you're living allowance to allowance or paycheck to paycheck, which is okay. But when you are doing that, it's good, because what if next month you don't have the same amount to pay off your credit card, and then you're in debt and you're only 18 or 20 years old, and that's just not good to be in debt at that young of an age. So, a debit card, especially for middle schoolers, parents can transfer money on there, or high schoolers or parents transfer money on there, and then you see, okay, I have X amount of money. So it's almost exactly like having cash.
Yeah, exactly.
Essentially.
Yeah. So when you go to the store, if you had cash in your hand, you had dollar bills, and you were then getting ready to pay, you would only be able to spend as much money as you had in your hand. So a debit card works the exact same way. It's just that it's in the bank. The card being swiped or inserted is just you telling the bank, send this money to this store, send this money to this restaurant. But you're only able to spend as much as what's in your bank account. So I like what you said, about the debt. And when you're talking about credit cards, when you're then talking about having money available, because we just talked about credit cards, what happens to the money in the bank if you used a credit card last month? What's going to happen to the money in your bank now in this month if you spent money on a credit card last month?
It'll be given to the credit card company.
That's right. So when you put money or spend money on a credit card, that means that in the future, your money is going to go pay things that you paid for in the past. When you're using a debit card, you're using the money that you have right now. All right, hey, thanks for watching this episode. We've got 2 more coming up in this series, and the next one is, this one's going to sound boring, but you need to listen in, because there is somebody that's taking your money every time you spend it. And we want you to know why and who that is. All right, we'll see you here in a second.